ready to turn your big ideas into reality. With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing your perfect domain, building a stunning website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, it's it is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products, including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So all I have to do right now is just click over start for free, then you will find this page. You have your free website is only the first step. Create a mobile friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business through integrated marketing. So you click over start for free, and also here we have how to create a free website. With website plus marketing, you can create a website to present your portfolio or set up a shop in order to sell cookies, offer online recipes, or even pastry courses. Follow the steps below to create your website using our powerful all-in-one authoring tool designed specifically to help you grow. We have here the steps. First step, we have you choose a template to start building your site or free shop. Then we have here add your account, your products, and the contact details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then you have here use integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. Then we have the fourth step, you can manage everything you are any device from a single dashboard, reviews, orders, social media. Then we have you buy premium features according to your needs. Add for your shop, referencing, and appointments. So we have just to get started for free, and then you will find this page. We have to create an account. Already have an account, you click over login and you find your account. If you want to sign up, all I have to do is click over continue with Facebook or continue with Google or just continue with email and you get started. Then we have here how it works. First of all, you have just to answer this question: what features that your website need. For example, here we have sell with an online store, make appointments online, something else. Then you click over continue, for example, something else. Then I will find here, well, we have what kind of website you want. For example, we use this information to recommend photos and content to you. I select here spot, then we will click over continue, and then we'll find here what name should we give to website. This will be the name of your project. If you change your address, you can always update it. So for example, here we have Zisa shop or Ria shop, and then you click over the continue. So this is the questions. You can just get started, and then you will find this homepage. Here we have in the dashboard, your free plan includes premium features of 7 additional days. So after you're signing up for GoDaddy, start by logging into your account. Use the search bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore their hosting options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience, or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account and then enable reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So here we have the dashboard. If you want to add logo, click over add logo and you add it. Then here we have here also premium here, upgrade to remove ads from your site. Choose a paid plan to give your website a more professional look. Then we have your website, personalize or customize your website with a custom domain. Use Facebook images on your site, publish your site. Then we have your marketing, post on social media to increase traffic to your website, send an email campaign to get visitors back to your site. We have create your first blog post, and we have the last option, which is appointments. And let's set the service or course, manage information about your business, and that's it. Then we have here upload your own images, stand out and customize your site by adding different photos. Then we have manage your social platforms in one place. Then we have claim your domain. Then we have your domain name. You can just find a new area. Then here we have a website. Here we have steps to begin. So we have the next step. To begin, we have just business like just to make sure your content information is up to date. And then we have review about section, add your logo or create one on to strengthen your brand image, upload media to use on your site, use Facebook images on your site. Then we have improve your site. About this one, you have just here customize. Customize your website with a custom domain, add links to your social media accounts, make yourself an artist in web search tags to reference. Then we have you grow your audience. About this one, you have just to send emails to your contacts to promote your site. Then we have you explore some new tools. Explore some new tools depending on your goals. Recommend that you also check these items. Then we have the first one, choose the premium plan that is right for your business calls. Allow bookings with online appointments. Then we have sell products in an online store. Create on the fly with GoDaddy Studio app. Then we have your email. We have also here other things like shop, presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters. Then we have appointments here such as presentation, calendar, services, categories, clients, gym parameters, and we have your social marketing clients. So GoDaddy serves as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike, whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site. GoDaddy equips you with tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is how it works with GoDaddy. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.